One of the areas on your pool tile that gets the most calcium buildup is your Spa Spillway. It's inevitable as the sun hits the water and dries it onto the tile. If you notice a lot of calcium buildup on your Spa Spillway, it might be time to call in a professional tile cleaning company like West Coast Tile Cleaning. Tony from West Coast Tile Cleaning specializes in cleaning your tile, and they use a variety of media. In this video, you're going to see them use glass bead as well as a finer media to fine-tune the cleaning of the tile here. A professional tile cleaning company can clean calcium off of ceramic pool tile, glass pool tile, flagstone, coping and brick, and a professional company like West Coast Pool Tile Cleaning knows exactly how much pressure to apply to clean the tile without damaging the tile. Watch the entire spot cleaning of the Spa Spillway here in this video. Pool Service Pro. Open a Leslie's wholesale account today and receive wholesale pricing on products you use every day. Leslie's Pool Supply offers convenient locations that are open 7 days a week. Another great benefit of opening a Leslie's wholesale account is Leslie's referral program. Get referred to a customer looking for weekly pool service. Save time and money and grow your pool service route and become a Leslie's Pro.